In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update the look and feel of your store using Shopify's theme editor without touching any code. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will bring you to the Themes page, where you can see a list of all the themes in your store. Your current theme will be at the very top. On that theme, click the button that says Customize or Edit Theme, depending on the version you're using. This opens the theme editor, which is where you'll make all your visual changes. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of sections on the left. Click on any section you want to adjust so that its settings open up. Within those settings, look for the area labeled Colors or Color Scheme. You'll see a drop-down menu with a list of preset schemes. Click that drop-down and choose a different color scheme. As soon as you make a selection, watch the preview on the right to see how the background of that section changes in real time. This is a great way to quickly test how different looks feel on your store. If none of the preset options match what you want, you can create or edit a color scheme. In the left panel, near the top, find and click the gear icon to open theme settings. From there, select Colors. You'll now see a list of your available color schemes. You can click on an existing one to change it, or you can create a brand new scheme by selecting Add Scheme. For this walkthrough, let's edit an existing scheme. Once you open a color scheme, look for the setting called Background. Next to it, you'll see a text box with a hex code. Click that box to open the color picker. Here, you can drag around to find the exact shade you want, or paste a specific hex code if you already have one. As you change the color, keep your eye on the preview. Scroll through the preview on the right to check how this new background looks across different sections. If multiple sections are using the same color scheme you just edited, they'll all update together automatically. If a section doesn't change, that simply means it's using a different scheme, and you can go into that section's settings and assign the updated scheme there as well. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. This will publish your new background color to your live store, and that's all you need to do to change the background color on Shopify.